In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if Steam game will run on my computer. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look for a game's requirements in Steam and how to match them with your PC's specs so you can decide with confidence before downloading. First, open the Steam app on your computer. If you don't have it yet, download and install the Steam client from the official website, then launch it. Using the official installer ensures you get the most up-to-date and secure version, which helps the next steps go smoothly. Next, log into your Steam account. On the startup screen, choose the option to log in, enter your account credentials, and sign in. This gives you full access to the store, where you'll find the details you need. Now, use the search bar at the top to find the game you're interested in, and open its store page. Scroll down until you see the System Requirements section. Every game page lists two sets of specs, minimum and recommended. Minimum tells you the baseline hardware needed to run the game at basic settings. Recommended shows what the developers expect for smoother performance at higher settings. Pay attention to the CPU, GPU, RAM, operating system, and storage space listed here. To check your computer's own specs right inside Steam, click the menu at the top, choose Help, then select System Information. Steam will display a detailed snapshot of your hardware and software, including your processor model, graphics card, total memory, operating system version, and available storage. Keep this window open next to the games page so you can compare line by line. If you prefer, you can also view your specs using Windows tools. Open Task Manager, go to the Performance tab, and look at CPU, memory, and GPU to see your core hardware at a glance. Utilities like CPU-Z or the built-in DXDiag tool can also list your processor, graphics, and memory in more detail. Use whichever method is most comfortable for you. With both sets of information in front of you, compare your CPU, GPU, RAM, and OS against the game's minimum and recommended requirements. If you meet the minimum, the game should run at basic settings. If you meet or exceed the recommended specs, you can expect smoother performance and higher quality settings. Also confirm that you have enough free storage for the install size listed. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.